Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so today I'm going to do a few things. First thing, I'm going to just do a quick update on day two of futures trading. I'm going to keep it quick and to the point. And I also want to spend some time on going over our last two alerts, longer alerts. One was the Coinbase calls, and the other were SPY puts. Coinbase calls ran over 100% if you held, and the SPY puts were at 60% last time I checked, and said, hey, it might be a good idea to take profits here. So, I guess first we can go over the funded the top step here. So just real quick, so we ended yesterday um, down or down up $200. So if you remember from last video, we were just playing around, and our account was at 50,000. Started with 50,000. We are now at we made about $1,200 profit today, and we now have the account up to about 51,400. Now, granted, this is the demo account. But I think I'm ready to move forward with the fully funded account on Sunday night or Monday. Just want to give a quick update on that. Things are going well in the futures market. The one thing I've noticed is you can make a lot or lose a lot of money very quickly with futures. So my suggestion is, and I'm going to continue to put this forth, is only one contract at a time, guys. At least until you're comfortable. And obviously, I'm talking about the big ones, the big ES, not the minis, the micros. So yeah, that's really all I got. Just start with one contract. Next, let's move into the Coinbase trade. So if you remember, well, if you're following my Discord, so we put out a buy signal. We got a buy signal here, pre-market here. Remember I tell you guys to look for this on the charts. So this was on the hourly chart. So I thought this would be a good um, swing play. And as you can see, we just took off here. It was a call play. The calls ran anywhere. If you took profits with me, we took about 50%. But they did run, if you look here at their peak, well over 100% into the triple digits. So now it looks like we're starting to cool off a little bit. This is why we take profits. The calls are still profitable, but again, I would look to secure profits. I mean, that's what we're here for. We're here to make some money. So, make some money. You take your profits. Next trade, next trade I want to go into, not that one, is, why is it doing this? Our SPY call play. What happened to it? Here we go. This will work. SPY call play, our SPY put play. So this was a play I called out today in the Discord for our premium members that ran about 60%. And I suggested, even though it was an overnight play, so we have bearish divergence here. We got our sell signal here. Let me roll in the MACD for you so you can see. So we got our MACD cross here. We got a strong sell signal, and we entered here on this candle. Now we had this big drop here. It doesn't look like a big drop, but if you zoom into the 5-minute chart, you'll see it was a big drop. When we got in here around 12:30-ish, I believe, we had this big drop here, and we were looking at 60% profits. And I said, hey, it's probably a good idea to take profits, even though this is an overnight play. And as you can see, it's starting to rebound here. Yeah, I mean, that's as simple as that, right? We got our sell signal, we got our cross, and we take profit. So, it's really that easy sometimes. sometimes the trades just work out. I do want to put out full disclosure, and maybe I'll even, since this was kind of a quick video, maybe I'll even pull up the chart here on the KRE play. So we did get into KRE puts here yesterday. What was it yesterday? Yes. I can't remember what time it was, but no, it wasn't yesterday. It was the day before. Here we go. So on the 6th, so this was on Wednesday. So we entered the play off the hourly chart on the 6th. So if we go back here on the KRE chart, I just want to show you what a losing trade looks like too, right? So we went short here, right? And then what happened was we got some news out. So if you guys don't know, you probably don't know, the KRE is a small regional banking fund. So there's, if you're not following along in the financial world, the regional banks are under a lot of pressure right now. Their NYCB dropped about half its value in a session, just from basically saying, hey, we don't have enough money to fund, and people freak, right? Your bank doesn't have enough money. That's a big fucking deal, right? So we went in to short it. Well, pretty much as soon as we got in the play, I caught whiff of news coming out, and we took a 10% loss on this play before this huge candle played out. So we actually ended up taking the loss right around 2 o'clock, because there was news out that NYCB got about $1 billion of funding, which I knew was a risk going into the play. I just thought maybe we had a little more time. But obviously with that news that the bank was going to be quote unquote saved, regional banking, the price just took off. So I did want to show you a losing play as well. But our other two plays, and the one we have active now, which I don't want to show you because it's a longer play. It's an active play for the premium group only. It is doing very well. Last I checked, it was up about 30%. And again, you could take profits there. I mean, 30% of the day is good profits. I don't know any other way to say it. That being said, it is a longer play. So that's a breakdown of the last few plays over this week. So big wins on Coin, big wins on ARM, big win on SPY puts, and small loss on the KRE puts, KRE puts. And futures account, demo account is up from 50K to 51,000. So that account is up about 2%, a little over 2%. So anyways, that's all I got. I'm going to call it an early day today on Friday, and I will catch you guys. I'll be trading Sunday night when futures markets open. So I may have something for you guys Sunday night. So anyways, please like and subscribe to the videos. I always forget that part. I know how to trade. I don't know how to make fucking videos. So like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.